Hi and welcome to this video. Now in today's quick video I'm going to be trying to sort out the heat shields that go around the exhaust, which on many cars, especially ones like this one, they have a tendency to fall off, as have mine done. So hopefully this should sort out the issue, which I'll show you in a second, and it should be all good again. Now the parts I'm going to use is a little kit I've got like this, just little basically plates and the little clips, I forget what they're called, which will hopefully hold the exhaust clamps back up. So let's go under and have a look. So you'll have to forgive the rust, just an everyday car. So this is one of them, just go under right now, there we go. So as you can see, it's kind of gone through where it's not supporting heat shield anymore. The clip is still there, it's on the other side of it, but obviously there's nothing to hold it, and a lot of them have fell off. Also the ones which are down there as well. Now, I'm glad I've just done this because I've just noticed a big hole in my exhaust. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to get that sorted. But yeah, as you can see, moving on, this has happened to pretty much every single clip holding the heat shield on, so it just rattles around. So let's see if we can get one or two of these on and see if it does the job. Now obviously, because the clip is still there, I'm going to try and take that off first with a pair of pliers, and that gives us all the thread then to work with. Okay, so with this one, I'm not going to take it off because I'm in danger of breaking that thread off because it does feel a bit rusty. So I managed to push that under there, and I'm going to try and put this one on top. So I've just noticed, I'm going to push that one in there, but that one is free and there's no nut on it. So I'm going to put this over there, and that should keep that bit secure then. There's that clip gone, so that just goes on there. And that should just push over the top. There we go, like that. Okay, so that went on, that clip went over the top. It's pretty secure, it's not going anywhere. So what we'll do now is try and do more of these. I've got a few left over, and hopefully it should start moving about. So yeah, I managed to jack the car up, put a few more on. They do feel quite secure, so hopefully, fingers crossed, that sorts that issue out for the time being. Now, I would like to put a few more on, but I can't get under the car at all. I've just discovered as well that my jack, one of the bolts on the wheels is also bent. So I don't really want to risk getting right underneath the car, to risk putting those on. I'm going to have to get also a new trolley jack, it seems. But as the little plates and clips goes, they do seem to work quite well. I will put a link down below as to which ones I got, if you are looking at doing yours. They do go on quite easy. As I say, if you can take the old nuts off, if they're not there, even better. But if you can get them off without breaking the thread, because if that thread goes, then there's not a lot you can do anyway. So like what I've done, it's not the best way of doing it, but at the end of the day it makes them secure, stops them flapping around. So all in all, job done. So with the exhaust, I'm going to have to get that sorted because I didn't realise there was a big hole in it. So hopefully at some point I will get that sorted. If I can, I'm going to try and get it welded up. So I will try and video that as well. But yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that type of thing. And I'll see you in the next one.